Your purpose is not what you do in the end. It is what you do right now. You don't have to go anywhere to discover it. It is not above clouds. It is not under a coal mine. It is right here, inside you. Pay close attention to what makes you want to wake up in the morning. Whatever it is that makes you immensely happy, because it is uniquely yours. It is what you can do best with the least amount of effort. It is your gift. And your gift can be anything. It could be talking about history. It could be baking. It could be wearing makeup. God does not create somebody's destiny by the number and type of degrees they hold. It makes no sense to be in constant pain to be successful. If it doesn't make you feel alive today, how far will you carry it? Every moment is a moment of making that one choice that will change your life. Your gift is your purpose in life. Quit running away from it, because it carries some really surprising blessings. When you know that you have discovered your gift, just go for it. Don't think about the outcome, because our mind is conditioned by society. It talks in others' words. It is not about trying to choose the right path, but rather about choosing a path and making it the right one. One thing that you must remember, no matter how much you think that you are like the others, your journey is still uniquely yours. Till then, don't forget to love yourself a little harder every day, because you deserve it. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and blessed.